Hi, my name is Edeline Rodriguez, and my learning outcome is 6.4 Describe Wound Healing. Wound healing is the process of restoring the anatomic function of living tissue. It's influenced by the type of injury and by intrinsic and extrinsic factors. Intrinsic factors are factors within the patient. They may be genetic, physiological, or pathological factors. Extrinsic factors, on the other hand, are environmental factors that occur outside of the body. There are 4 stages to the process of wound healing, which must occur in chronological order. In order for a wound to heal successfully, all 4 stages must occur in the proper sequence and time frame. The wound can progress forward or backwards depending on the intrinsic and extrinsic factors, resulting in improper or impaired tissue repair. The first stage is hemostasis, which happens quickly, beginning immediately after the physical injury. In this stage, blood vessels constrict and clotting factors are activated to restrict blood flow. Clot formation blocks bleeding and acts as a barrier to prevent contamination of bacteria. Platelets release growth factors, alerting cells to begin the repair process. The second stage is inflammation. This stage helps prevent infection in the wound and controls bleeding. Vasodilation occurs where plasma and leukocytes are allowed into the wound to clean it. Damaged cells, pathogens, and bacteria are removed from the wound. White blood cells, growth factors, nutrients, and enzymes create the swelling, heat, pain, and redness seen and experienced. Inflammation is natural and only problematic if it is prolonged or excessive. The third stage is proliferation, where the wound is rebuilt with new tissue made up of collagen and extracellular matrix. There are 4 important processes in this stage. The first is epithelialization, where a new epidermis and granulation tissues are developed. Next, angiogenesis brings oxygen and nutrients to the wounds. After that, collagen forms, providing strength and integrity to the wound. Lastly, myofibroblasts cause the wound to contract by gripping the wound edges and pulling them together, reducing the size of the wound. The last stage in the process of wound healing is maturation, also called the remodeling phase. In this stage, the wound fully closes, becoming a scar. The cells that were used to repair the wound but are no longer needed are removed by apoptosis or programmed cell death. Wound healing is a fragile process, so failure to progress forward in the stages of wound healing may lead to infection. A way to speed up the process of wound healing and ensure it progresses is to care for the wound by keeping the wound moist, clean, and protected from re-injury or infection. These are my sources, and thank you for watching.